Welcome to 275 Broadview Avenue in the heart of Toronto. This townhouse was just renovated and it's ready for you to unpack and unwind. Come on in, let's take a look. This condo includes one parking space and free visitor parking for your guests. The possibilities are endless for this space. The basement is unfinished. There's currently a laundry room on the lower level and is perfect for a man cave or lady lair. You will love the kitchen backsplash, built-in appliances, and new flooring. If you're tired of high-rise condo living, you will love the walkout to your private backyard and low condo fees. The neighborhood surrounding the property is phenomenal. There are world-class restaurants, local grocery stores surround the area, the Broadview Hotel is down the road, there are parks, and 24-hour public transit. To the west, you have downtown and the Distillery District. To the north are Chinatown East and the Danforth. To the east, you have Leslieville and the beaches. And to the south, you have Tommy Thompson Park and Lake Ontario. All are accessible by foot, streetcar, bike, or car. Jimmy Simpson Recreational Center has a swimming pool, tennis courts, and many youth and adult programs and activities available for you. Enjoy your new home base for exploring all the city has to offer and improving your quality of life. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get your piece of vibrant Toronto living. I'm Ken Finch, broker with LePage. Contact me for your private viewing.